All right, what's up guys? This is Mike Maxwell here, and I appreciate you clicking on the channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to level the camera angle on the DJI Mini 2. So recently I crashed my Mini 2 and then I did a video, and I'll link it up over here. I did a video testing it to make sure it was still able to fly and do all that, and so it was. But what I did notice is that the angle of the camera was kind of tilted like this. And so I posted that, and I asked people to leave a comment below, maybe they knew how to do it. So I actually got a few comments on there explaining that if you just go in there, you can do an angle adjustment on a calibration or something to that effect. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna get it up in the air and see if we can level that thing out. Hopefully it didn't ruin the calibration or the calibrating method when I crashed it. So let's go do that now. You can see the house and it's kind of twisted. I'll use that. So let's go into the camera, white balance, control, gimbal calibration. Gimbal calibration. We're going to do a manual calibration. And so doing a manual calibration, I'm using this up here and I'm touching this. And let's just see what it does. Is it going? Oh, there it goes. Yeah, it's going right. There we go. Almost 5 points on that thing, it says. So we're gonna hold that. We'll get X out of that. And, well, that's pretty good. Take a look at ourselves. We're back to normal. Now we're back up and down. Not bad. Well, let's take a flight around. Raise this thing up so we don't have so many highlights. That's my shutter.
Battery level is low.
Uh-oh.
The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
I'm gonna drop this thing down.
Landing.
Okay, so it just said battery level low, and it still says it's at 49%. And that's what I'm having a problem with, 49%. That's what happened last time. It was at 49% up here, and I'm only right here, and my point was right there. So that's an issue that I'm having. So I'm gonna change my battery, and then we'll redo this. I'm not sure if that is a problem with the battery itself. Maybe the battery needs an update. These batteries have some type of computer chip or something in there that they need to be updated. So might be something I'm gonna look at. Maybe one of you out there have seen or had a problem with that. As you can see, it still shows, well, it still showed it had like 45% on the battery, yet it said the battery was low. So that didn't make sense. So I'm gonna change the battery. All right, put the second battery in. It'll show you just by pressing one press, it'll show you how strong it is. I haven't flown this thing in about at least 2 weeks, might be 3. No, it's been about 2 weeks. And they were full batteries, but they've already dropped down a little bit, and that could be the reason why. Maybe they need to be fully charged again. So we'll start this one up and we'll see what it does. If that's the case, maybe I need to just go full charge with them before I start flying it. All right, so this is gonna be my home point here. A little bit of mud.
Home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Good. All right, let's take this thing off. We got 68%. 68%.
Home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So one of the things that I've noticed as well, when you start to fly your drone, you set it up, you get it up in the air, let it sit there for about 10 or 15 seconds, because sometimes it updates the home point. If you start flying and then all of a sudden it says home point has been updated and maybe you're over water or something, you don't want that. Okay. There we go. The nice thing is you can see that it has the bottom things on it. You can land it. You can land it right in your hand, which is nice to have. Very nice feature. Make sure we stop it. There's the stop. That's it. All right, guys. I am very happy with the gimbal calibration. I appreciate you guys that left a comment for me about the gimbal calibration, because that was a very big issue for me. And there's also other issues that I haven't done yet. Not issues. There's also other things that I haven't done yet in the menu. I'm sure that there's all kinds of videos on YouTube that you can find, but this was for gimbal calibration. Appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below if you didn't like it. You know, sometimes my videos can be a little boring, but then again, sometimes it can be informational. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.